So, hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. You found the perfect song or album, you hit the buy button and then purchase failed. It's kind of frustrating, right? Whether you are trying to buy a digital song, upgrade your subscription or make an in-app purchase. So this error usually comes down to a payment issue. The good news is, it's almost always fixable in just a few minutes. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you how to troubleshoot purchase failures in Amazon Music, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, we want to check our payment method. Open a browser and go to Amazon.com, then go and look for accounts and lists. Check your payments. Make sure your default payment method is not expired, check the expiration date, or at least has like a sufficient funds available. And make sure it's accepted by Amazon. Most major credit or debit cards work. Also, if needed, add a new payment method or update an existing one. So, also in your payments, verify that your payment address matches what your bank has on file. If the address doesn't match, your bank may decline the transaction, so you should update the address if necessary and immediately. Then go all the way to check your Amazon account status, go to Amazon.com and look for any alerts about your account. Make sure your account is in good standing, no holds, no suspensions or even unresolved issues. If there is a problem with your account, you will need to resolve it before even making the purchase. And that's it for today. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.